This video is on the model 2008. It's an 8 selection. I should say it's from 1 to 8 selections. Like this customer only wants to vend 2 washers and 2 dryers. And you can connect additional units at a later time. In this case, they only wanted 4. And to the right, you'll see the wireless control modules. Inside of each of these boxes on the right is the wireless receiver. Inside of the model 2008, in this case, they have like 8 transmitters, but they're only using 4 of the transmitters. I will demonstrate to you how this works. I'm going to take a Vending card. This is a reloadable card. This unit takes all forms of payment. So I'm going to tap the card.
Authorizing. Thank you.
Now all of the lights illuminate, but of course we're only using the first 4. And over here on the right, this one here is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 correspondingly. In this case, we're doing 110 volt ones and 220 dryer type. So if you don't make a selection after I think it's 2 minutes or less than that, it'll time out. So to make another selection, I'm going to press the number 1, and when I do, it's going to take the value and send it over to number 1. You'll hear it a loud clink, and then that's going to be the relay clicking in. We are able to set the time for anything from 1 second up to 32 hours. I'm going to press the number 1 selection here on the machine, and then watch the green light come on. I've set this for the demonstration to be only a 1 second, because some locations connect it in parallel to the existing coin where they just want a momentary pulse versus a longer pulse. Or in this case, like for example, we're vending time for 60 minutes for $3.